regional shila na East Jaintia Hills hakas ngi palay ulayat marway shilong ban pinpaw ya ka jing e jong ki pajba ki bashania ha ka kam ti doyong hadian khat arsnam ka jing khang ti doyong ha meghalaya da ka bara ya ka plakat ka batho amdan doyong amdan bam amdan jing im ula ong babun kilong yeng menta kila shak ta jur ha ka jing dok bat ka jing yap than ulakin noru baga sarkar jila kam shemna ngap ya ka jing ut jing nam jong ki pajba bat dawa ban wanra no ya ka traditional scientific coal mining policy kabaya ha bat ka jila meghalaya ushila ulaong ba utmu ban sha thangan hinrei ki bor district kim shimla ai jingben watla kataru ulaong ba undang yai beteng ya ka jing ki hadu ba ka sarkar kan shimkhia ki jing e jong ki dong treido yo ulama hamru balada amsha ban pinsngo pajba hangni hanong ba unsa pelong ya ka jing ki pajba ha East Jaintia Hills
Mengsiap ngai ngo yo play kendrat pelai nga kabor bat pelai kasni kabisit kabrem namta banyaki namta kani kasni pandawa nak sarkar batun korek sarkar pan pleno yo duyong taka traditional scientific coal mining kaba upajba ula panitrai katkum garukom long ka kendeu ka siap hapo ka jalan meklaya jongi hoj akajingsia ngamut bansat ngan tagasngi andrai nga klemnyo ka jingbit nani kalat andrai nga ku musamla namta gari namta ka jag breu kadan kata ka mesin ka bisit hem bat ka bae jag penreu pangalahun pan bendai ka jingim jonga namta ki jag breu bansa jingit andrai ka ba snausi kalang banga ngamyo jingbit bat ka snausi susu pan ong baki ayangi ka jaka bansang ka rili ka jongi hakajaka ka bajaing ka badap sudah ada giej adu kanne ka sarkar ka khanyangi kinong tray duyong tangkum giksau ro kam khan suyangi ngi kerpat jaka ain daga burom andai ka ai ka bajaing ka sarkar ka jakaro ka ai daga bidap ta giej adu katne ngi la long ka kerdan ka jongi kibat tray duyong hakmat ng sarkar MDA ngi la long tangkum giej kene kejing sa nyom kejing sa lebor kejing sa ibing kumabiyo imbalin tas ngi ngatang kesempar ngam phangju kane kadai kadak ban penpaw ya ka sarkar bakatno ki pajba ki jingjar kano ki pajba sakathan jongi ki ayap kano ka jingduk ka jongki baka sarkar ba ukondrat unyo i baka kmat jong kondrat kan pei ka askur jong ba kelut un snap ya ki jinga jong pajba ki jingnawa jong pajba ki kumiyu ga patun jong ar ka bajat kane kadai kadak barok ki jing penpaw nam kijingduk jongi kijingduk jongi pajba mtoy yu yang abangan pong ikmat yong ngan pong jin wan hane wan ngele reli wan ayu mtoy ngawan hangne nam ta kajing sisa ngakwa ban penpa wakmat ka pertai barok kawai ka selong barok kawai ka Meghalaya barok kawai kiseng balang bak ngi ki betrai diong hadok kane ngejingjar ka galapoi radang ngimtip lano ki pajba jongi kinyap tangan no ka sarkar ka he ban yalap election bok ki benar jong ke NBP bok ki benar kata penbiang syau pajba hinum ya but labi alap kat be alap bro klam na penbiang ya ka jingdon kam jingnawa jong pajba umasna ukop nyau pho prabosan punyo jantia nganong tang hapo isentia 100% biyo ne bimyo ne ki pajba jongi kimdai gilun kinumbe ya kata ka bisa ka basan si pho wajar jong pi kidon kam ya ka jakpo kidon kam nyau khau
Minta pihak na eh.
Katkum ka order bangilayo jingbit na deputy commissioner office tang hapo cinta ngila ban penigaki pan pendep iki jing dawa jeng yapo kaneka sigenta tengin nyai kejat nang ne amaran malki dep nang to ngan submit ke petition how honorable chief minister jeng jela Meghalaya kajing kang duyong ka bakat arsnem andai kajing ki ban berseu ka sarkar tang sigenta ngiyo uba arden sa tangan yo permission ba adil bot hangne hiusa hangne aksene namta gi rangba snong gi isu rangba snong yo kiyo gitu gi kena samla ke basat namta kalum pading kiyo balai yangi kinong isen tiang ngim yo balai ngim dai kinong Meghalaya ngim don hak Meghalaya balai ngirai ki khar ngirai khasi penar boy khasi ngajak cela ngadai penar ngadon ki kur ki padai khasi ro ki jak thank you sikur try tang baki jak thank you ki khasi ngadai penar tambah kasnam kaju tangga ketin ke baya fer ngaklen nakten penar kita nakten kasih ngidai kaju ngiro ngajon kahok apa ka artikel kat kena jong konstitusi jong ngeri India kalau ai bawa ngi bangin yaki klem dara am klem da pen buri hura da pen mong da so da pen wit kentut iki pajba ngi da kaburam ngimdon gai tang da kamsin ka basit ham namta kasaj beriu ndai ngim yo balai ka jing sa ibeng ka zakaro ka badat de kiai kuma pila yo ip ring ba gitu kiai baik zakaro badat de kiai kat kana ka jing le bin jong sarkar hato ki pajba kirang sania kana sarkar kat kana ki jing sa le bin ang kena ngakten barang kendiat ban soto konrad. This is to the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya. Sir, with due respect, how many multiple times of petition I have write to you through your office as the Minister in charge of mining. Once also you didn't reply, you didn't take up the issue. Today, this is the condition of our people. We don't have slipper to wear. We don't have proper clothes to wear. We don't have money to buy food to feed our children. This is our condition. You should be shame on you as a minister in charge of mining and geology department. When the NBP first came in the power in 2018, the first MP election, I remember in East Sentia Hills, you came for the campaign. What you said? You said is that wood, give us wood. Within 6 months, we will open coal. Sir, it is already 10 years. Where is that? Where have you opened the coal? You are just making politics. You are making politics of our people. This is not a small issue. You have to take up this issue. If you will not take up this issue, if I don't get permission today also to protest hunger strike, I'll take from East Sentia. I'll protest till the government is willing to give us our right. The government, if they will, if they want, what is the problem for them to give us a proper and final mining policy plan that is traditionally, that is suitable in our state? Our demand is the final judgment, the final mining we want. Not that today you do this, tomorrow you do that. No more like this. We want the final. Give us the final.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.